In the remote forests of New Zealand lives the kakapo, one of the world's most unusual birds. This large, nocturnal parrot cannot fly, but it has evolved to thrive on the forest floor. With a keen sense of smell and soft moss-green feathers, the kakapo blends perfectly into its surroundings. They are gentle, curious, and surprisingly intelligent, using strong legs to climb trees and explore their world at night. Today, kakapos are critically endangered, making every individual a precious piece of New Zealand's natural heritage.